How to use the regulatory robot. The product, Toy Train. Add a title and agree to the terms and conditions. Select the most appropriate category for your product. Answer the questions as they apply to your product and business. Click the green question marks to see the definitions of some terms. Generate a guidance report. The report shares regulatory information tailored specifically to your answers. Download a PDF of the guidance by clicking the yellow button. Thank you for using the regulatory robot.